guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox this ultimate science kit. My mom gifted it to me and I'm very excited to open it. So let's do it. So over here there's a 40 experiment main manual and another manual, 60 experiments bonus manual. Over here there's a toolkit. Let's see what's inside. This is a testing tube, a spatula, conical flask, a funnel, measuring cup, stirring sticks, soap molds, a few cups and a tray. So here are a few chemicals: vinegar, glycerin flakes, baking soda, yellow food color, glow powder, blue food color, mango food essence, red food color, rose food essence, citric acid, crystal powder, corn starch. So this is the end of our video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Stay tuned so that you can see such experiments with the ultimate science kit. Bye! See you in our next video.